Okay, this is very exciting in the world of UCBL. Caroline and I have entered all the scores from our virtual. It's been a virtual contest where we've taken 10 teams and just randomly entered scores for all of the different categories. And so we have 10 teams. We have BBQ, Bullpen, Holland Butt, Kushan, Natural Born Grillers, Mission Barbecue, Liberty, Plum Crazy, Hail Smoke. And the software worked perfectly. Caroline did a great job giving me all the scores so I can enter it into here. And now, for the first time, we're going to print the results and we'll see who the overall winner is in the virtual UCBL very first contest. Here it comes. The winner is, I'm not going to tell you, or I'll put a link here to the our virtual drive so you can see all the scores, the overall scores, and just how you're going to see it at a contest. So go check it out, see what we're going to give you, and get signed up for the next contest. We got them coming up in June, July, August, September, October. Sign up. What are you waiting for? God bless you. I'm so thrilled this is working.